Good morning, children. How are you? Hope all of you are fine at home. Children, your class test for chapter 1 will be conducted on 26th of May. That is on Tuesday. Questions will be in the form of multiple choice question. Means there will be one only correct option. You have to select that. And then you have to submit your form. And at the same time, you will get your marks also. Okay? Now children, we move to our chapter 2, that is Roman numerals. In our last class I started this. Let's continue children. As I taught you that there are 7 basic symbols to write Roman numerals. There is no symbol to represent 0. The Roman numerals do not have a place value. Now we come to this table. Yes. In our last video also I explained you this. In the Roman symbol, capital I represents number 1, capital V represents 5, capital X represents 10, very good, capital L represents 50, capital C represents 100, capital D represents 500 and capital M represents 1000. So these are the basic 7 symbols. By using these symbols only, we write Roman numerals. In our last video, taught you to write Roman numerals from 1 to 20. Now in today's video, we will continue Roman numerals and we will start from 21. Let's start. Again children, you may see one side I have written Hindu-Arabic numeral, second side Roman numeral. Okay. Now we have to write 21 in the Roman numeral. So 21, how do we break the 21? It's 20 plus 1. The Roman numeral for 20 is XX, that is 10 plus 10, 20. And for 1 we write capital I, that is XXI. 22, 20 plus 2, that is XXII. 23, that is 20 plus 3, means for 20 you will write XX and for 3 you will write III. That is 3 times I na. Now for 24, we break it 20 plus 4. For 20, what is the Roman numeral? XX. And for 4, what is the Roman numeral? IV. Okay, we have done this. Now we come to number 25, that is 20 plus 5. So for 25 it is XX, that is 20, and for 5 it is capital V. XXV, that represents 25. Now 26, that is 20 plus 6. So 20 is your XX and 6 is your VI. Okay, 5 plus 1, 6, 26. Now 27, 20 plus 7. For 20 you write XX and for 7 VII, that is 7, 27. Now 28, 20 plus 8. For 20 you write XX and for 8 you write VIII, that is 20 plus 5 and 6, 7, 8, that is 28. Now 29, 20 plus 9. How do we write 20? XX. And how do we write 9? Yes, IX. So for 29 we write XX, IX. Okay. Now we come to number 30, that is 20 plus 10. 20 is your XX and 10 is your again. Yes, one more X. So 3 times X. It represents number 30. Very good. Now we move from 31 to 40 children. Yes. You may see again I am starting here 31. 30 plus 1, for 30, triple X, and for 1, I, XXXI. 32, 30 plus 2, so XXX means 30, and II means 2, 32. For 33, 30 plus 3, 30 is your XXX, that is 30, and for 3, III. Isn't it? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. 33. Now 34, 30 plus 4. For 30, you write here XXX. And how do we write 4? IV, 34. Now children, 35, 30 plus 5. So XXX, that is 30. And for 5, we write here V, 35. Now 36, 30 plus 6. XXX, 30. And VI means 6, 36. 37, 30 plus 7. XXX, 30. VII, that is 7, 37. Now 38, 30 plus 8. 30 is your XXX 30 and 8 is your 5 plus 3, that is V and III, 38. Now 39, 30 plus 9. 30 is your XXX and how do we write 9? IX, that is 39. Okay. Now our next number is number 40. Clear? Now children, if you remember the rules, for 40, if you want to write 4 times 10, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 4 times x you cannot write. Isn't it? Do you remember the rules? Yes. Maximum 3 times you can repeat x na. So 4 times x you cannot write. So we represent 50 minus 10. That is 40 na. 50 minus 10, that is 40. Okay. Now as you have to subtract 10, so we will write this 10 before the larger number. Isn't it? If you write here x before, so that means you are subtracting from L and L represents 50. So XL. Clear? So for 40, you will write XL. I hope it's clear. Now we move to our next 41. So again for 40 we will write XL. And for 1 what we will write? I. Yes, very good. So XLI 41. 42. XLII 42. 43. XL and 3 times I 43. 44. XL and for 4 IV 44. 45. XL and V. 46. XL VI. 47. XL VII. 48. XL VIII 48. 49. That is 40 plus 9. So XL and for 9 you write IX 49. Now for 50, you remember the table na children? What is the symbol for 50? That is L, capital L. So for 50 you write here capital L. Okay, I hope you understood. Yes. Now children, we will do next 51 in our next video. And now it's time for your home assignment. Your home assignment is children, you will write the Roman numerals from 21 to 50 in your notebook. You will write all the symbols in capital letter. And second thing, you will practice your chapter 1 for the class test. Your date is 26th of May and your day is Tuesday. Okay? Okay, best of luck children.